Hi, Junior Engineer. I'm Amisha, and welcome to the Orbits Kit. You're about to start an amazing journey through space, right from your table. In this kit, you'll get to build a moving model of the sun, the earth, and the moon, using gears, lights, and 3D printed parts. There are 3 experiments that you will find in the booklet as you build. So every time you get to an experiment page like this, just come back over here, watch the next video, and we can do the experiment together. And don't forget, at the very end of the booklet, there's more experiments that you can try on your own, like spotting gears around your house and finding today's moon phase. So grab your instruction booklet, get ready to build, and I'll see you back here for experiment number 1.